ancient life form revived after 40,000 years in Alaskan permafrost. In a scientific breakthrough that blurs the line between life and geological time, researchers have successfully revived a microscopic nematode that had been trapped in Alaskan permafrost for approximately 40,000 years. This astonishing achievement not only provides a window into Earth's deep biological history but also expands the horizons of astrobiology, biotechnology, and climate science. 1. Unearthing a relic from the Ice Age. The nematode was discovered in an isolated section of Alaska's permafrost, a frozen layer of soil that has preserved biological material since the late Pleistocene epoch. The Pleistocene, spanning from 2.58 million to 11,700 years ago, was an age dominated by glacial cycles, megafauna like mammoths and giant ground sloths, and the slow expansion of early human populations into the Americas. Researchers identified the nematode while analyzing permafrost cores retrieved with precision drilling equipment. These cores, taken from a depth of over 20 meters, contain sediments untouched for tens of millennia. Following strict sterilization procedures to avoid contamination, the team transported the cores to a cryobiology laboratory equipped to handle ancient biological specimens. 2. Awakening after 40,000 years. In the lab, scientists initiated a carefully controlled thawing process. Over several days, the frozen soil was gradually warmed in sterile chambers, mimicking the slow changes that might occur in nature. During this period, the nematode was observed under high-magnification microscopes. First came subtle twitching movements, followed by crawling motions, and eventually feeding behavior, signs that the organism had fully exited its state of cryptobiosis. Cryptobiosis is a remarkable survival strategy in which an organism's metabolism virtually halts, allowing it to endure extreme environmental stress, including freezing, desiccation, and lack of oxygen. This nematode's revival after 40,000 years represents one of the longest documented cases of biological dormancy in multicellular life. Dr. Elena Martinez, the study's lead cryobiologist, described the moment as transformative. To witness a living creature awaken from a time when mammoths roamed the tundra is a humbling reminder of life's persistence. It is as though time itself has folded, allowing us to glimpse the past in motion. 3. Scientific significance and astrobiology. The implications of this discovery extend far beyond the Alaskan wilderness. If life on Earth can survive for tens of millennia in deep freeze, similar forms may exist or may have existed on celestial bodies with extreme conditions. Mars, with its subsurface ice, and icy moons such as Europa and Enceladus are prime candidates for hosting organisms capable of cryptobiosis. Astrobiologist Dr. Michael Lang emphasized this connection. Every discovery of extreme life on Earth strengthens the case for life in our solar system. If nematodes can wait out 40,000 years in the cold, why not microbial life beneath Europa's ice for millions of years? Beyond space exploration, this research could revolutionize cryopreservation in medicine and biotechnology. Understanding the nematode's survival mechanisms might one day inform techniques for long-term organ storage, preservation of endangered species, or even human stasis for interstellar travel. 4. Environmental considerations and risks. This revelation also underscores the risks of thawing permafrost in the era of climate change. As global temperatures rise, ancient layers of frozen soil are melting at accelerating rates, releasing trapped greenhouse gases and potentially ancient microorganisms. While most may be harmless, some could carry unpredictable ecological or health consequences. Environmental scientist Dr. Karen Ito issued a warning: the permafrost is a vault of both knowledge and risk. Every thawed layer tells a story, but some chapters might be dangerous if we are unprepared. The team has taken extreme precautions in handling the nematode, ensuring biosafety protocols are followed to prevent unintended introduction into modern ecosystems. 5. Future research and exploration. The next phase of the project involves full genomic sequencing to reconstruct the nematode's evolutionary lineage. Researchers will analyze its DNA to uncover unique adaptations for long-term survival in frozen conditions. Comparison with other cryptobiotic organisms, such as Siberian nematodes and tardigrades, will help identify universal survival strategies. Additionally, Collaborative studies with NASA and ESA are planned to create experimental analogues for extraterrestrial environments. By exposing nematodes to Mars-like conditions, scientists aim to test whether such life could survive interplanetary extremes. 6. A living bridge to the past. This extraordinary revival offers more than scientific data, it is a profound reminder of life's adaptability. The nematodes awakening from a 40,000-year sleep is like shaking hands with the Ice Age. It connects the dynamic biosphere of today with the frozen echoes of Earth's ancient past. As Dr. Martinez observed, life is not fragile, it is patient. In the deep freeze of time, it waits for the world to become habitable again. From the silent depths of Alaskan ice to the far reaches of space exploration, this discovery redefines the boundaries of survival and reminds humanity that the story of life is still unfolding, sometimes, even after 40,000 years of stillness. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.